Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You want immediate action. Pat the salmon dry to ensure a clean sear, and remove any pin bones now. Once dry, season both sides with salt and pepper and let it rest 5–10 minutes so the seasoning penetrates. Meanwhile, heat a heavy skillet over medium-high and add 1–2 tablespoons of high smoke oil, avocado or canola, so it shimmers. Make sure the oil is hot before adding fish. This prevents sticking and gives you that crisp, golden crust. You need to manage timing and motion. Place the fillet skin side down and press gently for 10–15 seconds to prevent curling so the entire skin contacts the pan. Cook most of the time skin side down on medium-high until edges look cooked through, about 70–80% of total time, then flip once for 1–2 minutes to finish. Once flipped, reduce heat slightly and baste with a tablespoon of butter and a smashed garlic clove or herb. This adds flavor and helps even cooking. You finish with a quick check and a short rest. Measure internal temperature, 50–53 degrees C for medium rare or 60 degrees C if you prefer well done, and remove the fillet a couple degrees early because carryover cooking finishes it. Rest the salmon 2–3 minutes off the pan so juices redistribute. If the fish sticks or the skin won't release, lower the heat and slide a thin spatula under it slowly. Once free, let it finish gently. This prevents tearing and overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.